Ako sa inyong kagalakan, no? Ang inyong mga ngiti. Lahat tayo ay excited para sa couple po na ito. Tama po ba?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes. And excited tayo na mag-witness natin sa hapon na ito ang kanilang pag-iisang dibdib. No? Sabi sa ng isang manunulat na si William Phelps, na sabi niya ay that the highest happiness on earth is marriage. Naniwala po ba kayo doon? That the highest happiness on earth is marriage. Today, it is a great joy to be part of this wonderful occasion in the life of Terry and but also logical and most importantly, it is biblical. Let me read you a passage from the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verses 4 to 7 and verse 13. The Word of God says, love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, always hopes, always perseveres, and now these three remain, faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. So will you have Terry as your husband to live with him in love, loyalty from this moment forward?
I do.
Yun. Parang mas parang mas ideal ba? This cycle, I would like to ask for the rings first. De La Paz. Hinihintay yata siya. Ay ba? Terry, you may kiss your friend.